a tetrahedron. So let's see now. Oh, what's the height of this tetrahedron? That's what I forget. Height of tetrahedron formula. I don't have all my geometry formulas memorized. The height is root 2/3 the edge length. Okay, so the height would be root 2/3 times 4. Okay, okay. So the volume would be the integration from 0 to h, the area, which is a triangle, which is a half the two sides sine 60 x dx. And the sides would be 4 minus 4 times x over the height. 4 minus 4 times x over the height. So I can take the 4 out and the 4 out. That's the 16 out. Divided by 2, that's 8. And then sine 60. So it's 4 root 3, 0 to h, 1 minus x over h squared. Sorry, there's no x there. It's just dx. Dx. So that's 4 root 3. We need to integrate from 0 to h. 1 minus x over 2h plus x squared over h squared dx. So that would be 4 root 3 x minus x squared over 4h plus x cubed over 3h squared, 0 to h. So I'll just continue it over here. 4 root 3 h minus h squared over 4h plus h cubed over 3h squared. So that cancels with that. That cancels with that. So it's 1 minus a quarter plus a third. Okay, so that's 4 root 3, 13 over 12 h, which is 4 root 2 over 3. Yeah, 52 root 2 over 3, because they cancel. Oh, let us see. 32 over 3 root 2. That doesn't look right. That's 16 root 2. Yeah, I'm off a little bit here. So, not much. I have the root 2, which is good. Which is good. And I have a 3 in the denominator. I can put the root 2 down below. But the problem is the 52. So, okay, let's check here. Triangle. So that's a half that by sine 60. So I can take the 4 out here and the 4 out here, leaving me with 1. 4 by 4 is 16. 16 by a half is 8. And a half by, 4 by 4 is 16. 16 by a half is 8. And 8 by sine 60 is 4 root 3. So that looks right. That looks right. That looks right. And then I expand 1. Oh dear. I put the 2 in the wrong spot. The 2 is on the top. 2 is on the top. So it means when I increase the power, divide by the new power, the 2 is actually gone. So there's no 4 there. Okay. So in fact, they cancel out completely. So you're actually just left with 4 root 3 h over 3. So they cancel. 4 by 4 is 16. 16 root 2 over 3. Okay, and now they have the root 2 in the denominator. So if I multiply the top and bottom by root 2, I'll get 32 over 3 root 2. 32 over 3 root 2 units cubed. Excellent.